Alright guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll try to put on video a challenge lock from a French lock maker called the Cinok. And this lock is called the Undercower by Cinok. So the key is completely modified, so I don't know what it looks like. I managed to pick this lock a few times, but it seems to keep evading being caught on video so far. So I picked it a few times, but like I said, every time I try to put it on video, it just won't open on me. So let's give it a try. So nothing on the front pins. And number 3 gave me something, and then 2 gave me a bit of a false set. Nothing on 1. Number 4 gave me kind of a false set, and then 5 gave me a little something more. Everything seems loose all of a sudden there. So I'm gonna kind of look for. Okay, got a good click out of number 3. Okay, got a counter rotation from 4. Got a good click. Can't remember last time I had to put a lot of pressure at some point in the lock to open, so some pretty high set pins can be expected here. So I'm pretty much now fall in this state where it doesn't talk a lot anymore. So I got a good click out of 2. I gave it a little bit of manual counter rotation, but I lost my false set. So I'm just gonna release tension a bit. So 3 gave me a false set back. Counter rotation on 4. But that's a feeling of deja vu. I think I already did that. Okay, so I got some really slight counter rotation here. That was number 4, I think. Or 3. I got something on 2, but it's not super conclusive. Okay, a little something there from 3. We're getting like really small clicks as I apply very high pressure. Okay, that was 5 giving me a good click. That's where I go blind a bit, where every pin seems to give me a very slight counter rotation, but not enough to, to make me want to go at it. Okay, number 1 maybe? Yeah, okay, number 1 gave me something interesting. Okay, no, in the back, I think it's 5. Come on. Oh, there I go. Oh, nice. So there we go. That was a good challenge. Like I said, I managed to get this guy open a few times. Not knowing exactly what I was doing. I mean, the feedback at the beginning is really obvious, and then as you progress through the lock, it gets more subtle. I'm just gonna, oh no, the key is mummified. I'm gonna keep it mummified for the next person to get it, if I can do so. Okay, I'm glad I could put this guy on video because I tried a few times and didn't work very well. So this lock will be able to move on. Coming from France. Alors Cinok, ta serrure m'a donné un bon défi. Ça fait quelques fois que j'essaie de la mettre sur vidéo, ça n'a pas fonctionné. Alors là, c'est fait. So this lock came from Dan Brass, who made a trade with Cinok between French Fellowship. Okay, well that shim does not want to go in, so I'm gonna just try to. There we go. Okay, so let's see what's in there. Okay, we've got a spooled keep in, standard. We got a little spool there and a spool as well. So most of the pins, most of the keep-ins have a feature. These look like steel pins. Pretty nice. And there's threading in 2 and 3, and there's this rework that's been done there, which probably was probably made to catch something on top that we're gonna see right now. So that's in number 5. Let me change tweezers. Okay, number 1 is a really nice serrated, like Christmas tree a bit. Number 2, same kind of deal. So these things look like Stanley Cup for those of you who know hockey. And then I got a spool. Well, a wild serrated spool. Okay, so let's see what's in 6 that would catch. So it is another nicely done. So I don't even know what to call these things, like a serrated kind of spool-ish. Okay, so you got another one like that. So that was kind of the idea behind the lock, I guess. So these were really challenging. Probably catching in the threads and catching in many different spots in a lock. So everything is stock on top. Okay, let me get you a closer look. So there you have it there. So number 1, 2, 4, and 5 are like this serrated, spoolish, Christmas tree-ish, whatever you want to call it. And number 3 is slightly different there, with just a little bump at the beginning and then a very long spool with different springs. So there you have it. So I'm not gonna get the key out. So Cinok, merci beaucoup pour ce challenge lock. Et puis il va s'en aller ailleurs chez quelqu'un d'autre qui va l'apprécier. So this lock is gonna keep moving, and thanks for watching, guys.